All right, guys, we're going to do Chariot by Gavin DeGraw. All right, here we go. Staring at a maple leaf and leaning on a mother tree, I said to myself, we've all lost touch. Your favorite fruit is chocolate-covered cherries, and see this watermelon, oh, nothing from the ground is good enough. Your body rise, look what's over me, oh Chariot. Your golden waves are walking down upon this space, oh Chariot. I'm singing out loud to guide you and give me your remember seeking moon's rebirth, and rains made mirrors of the earth. The sun was just yellow energy. This is a living promised land, and even over fields of sand. Senses fill my body and cover me. Bring it back, it's more than a memory. Oh Chariot, your golden waves are walking down upon this face. Oh Chariot, I'm singing out loud to guide you and give me your strength. Give me your strength. Oh Chariot, give me your strength. Oh Chariot, give me your strength. Chariot, give me your strength. Oh Chariot, oh Chariot.